screen printing's been good to me. I remember I used to do orders for people sometimes, and they'll come back and be like, look, it's falling off. And I was like, oh shit, my bad. Like, let me remake them for you, you know, at free cost, you know. It's like something that you learn through time to not mess up as much. And you know, I still mess up here and there, but I make less mistakes. But every time you make a mistake, you gotta make it right. You gotta hook them up or make them, get them a better deal next time, or replace the shirts. And always like tell the truth, you know. So yeah, I want to do a video about just me saying, you know, screen printing's been good to me. Like, when I first started screen printing, it was one station for colors with the exposure unit that would put my weight on that I could never seem to get halftones out of it, you know. And I'm not saying that I miss those days, because I'm more happier where I'm at now. But it's a process. It's like we have to learn, you know, by messing up, by investing and trying again and doing it over and over and over and over until, you know, we get it a little better. And now, you know, I feel blessed that I'm able to make a living out of screen printing. You know, I have people looking for me, bringing work just about every day. And you know what, I think it's time for me to like level up, to you know, get invest in automatic, and you know, hire somebody to help me out, you know, get more stuff done. You know, I feel blessed that I'm able to, you know, pay my rent in my car and have food to eat, and you know, it's just the beginning. That's just like survival, you know. So yeah, screen printing's been good. It's cool. Certain relationships that you build through time, because you do good consistent work and good timing, you know. I wish I could show you more of all the stuff that I've created here, but you guys could go check out, you know, some the stuff that we print at Tool Clothing. But you know, I don't know, there's some of you, I know you guys want to learn how to screen print, which is cool. I'm not trying to knock you off of what you want to do, but it is an investment, you know. Start off small with a one screen, one color, and then if you like it, you know, invest more, and then more, and then more screens, more colors, more, you know, more supplies for you to be able to do anything, you know. But definitely, screen printing is work, you know. It's a process that's gonna get done from the beginning of the design or the idea to the production of what you're looking for, you know. I remember when I was like younger, I used to like trip off and like I used to think $100 or $300 was a lot of money, which it is. But now I'm like investing in Well, this is just some stuff that I bought today, but it was like $300 worth of stuff. Like, got a couple tacks, and I got a box of a 12-pack of screen opener, which I use a lot. I use a lot of screen opener, more than spray adhesive. And I did this video on how to clean the platens, and a lot of you were talking about like use platen tape, and I've been screen printing for 10 years, and this is the first pellet tape I've ever bought. You know, that just comes to show like it comes to show like who cares what you don't have? You use what you do have, you know, like, just because I didn't have pellet tape for the past 10 years doesn't mean that I'm not gonna screen print, right? Alright, I'm gonna tell you this story. Like, I used to work at a screen printer shop, and they would run automatics, you know. I would like make sure they're running, and I load them, I unload them, you know, like and I would see how fast it would just pump out like shirts. And I printed a couple runs of 2L shirts, that just because it saves so much time. What would take me like a couple days just printing, like what would take me like 16 hours to print, automatic will print it in less than 3 or 4 or 5 hours. Like, it cuts the process like 4 times, you know. And I would see that machine run, and then I, you know, I was an employee, and I would get paid by the hour, you know, whatever. But then I would get out of work, and then I would come to my shop, which I have a 6x6, and that's still faster than a one station, right? But it's just crazy. Like, I used to come, and I would be uninspired to screen print, because I see like how much time I'm wasting. But it's not really wasting. It's investing into what you have, you know. Like I would be like, I'm not gonna ever touch a manual screen print machine ever again, because automatic is way faster. But I don't own an automatic, you know, and I can't pay, or I probably can't, but I could pay to somebody, so I could use somebody's machine, right? But I don't know, like, I'm just saying, use what you have, you know, whatever the fuck you have. Like if you have a one station and you have just a clamp, or not even no station, you just got a table and one screen and one design, get that shit done, you know, no matter whatever it takes. Like I still print a manual, you know, and I still, like, somebody needs 100 shirts, 200 shirts, you know, it doesn't matter how many colors, how many prints, it's gotta get done, you know. Now I'm not gonna make no excuses and say I don't have an automatic, you know. It's a waste of time. That's being ungrateful, you know. It's kind of like you have one eye only, right? And then you're like, fuck this, I'm not gonna use this other eye cause I don't have 2 eyes. Does that make sense? Like my cousin, he's blind, you know, and I have fucking both eyes. So who cares if my one of my eyes is like fucking, you know, different than the other, or if I have a brown eye and a blue eye, or if I have one eye, or if I have no eyes. You know? We got mouth, we got a brain. Like me, I'm fucking blessed. Like, I'm blessed. I used to work at this warehouse back when I was like 22, 21. I'm 34 now. I just turned 34. But I used to work 40 hours. I used to work at Denny. Everywhere I worked, you know, Wendy's, I would get paid $8 an hour. And I would be bored just, you know, doing work at Wendy's, you know, doing the it was not really boring. Actually, I started working at this Wendy's right here, and it's in Downey and Paramount. And it was when it first opened up. It was like one of my first official jobs. And I did the fries the first day, and I, not bullshitting, the whole fridge, I did all the bags, all the fries. I fried them I sprinkled salt on them. I didn't even take a break that day. And I think it was that whole week I was just killing it with the fries. Like within that week, they moved me to sandwiches, and then I went to register, and like fast. Like I moved fast because like I took it serious. Like at the end of the day, I would go like this, take off my sweat, and I'll have like fat chunks of salt. And like I said, I was working 40 hours a week, and I would get paid $8 an hour. And then after taxes and everything, I would get like, I remember I would get like $264. It's crazy because now I could do that in one day, you know? And it's not, I'm not bragging. It's just, I'm just amazed at, you know, at where I'm at right now. And it's like, I feel like it's just the beginning. There's some of you that are working a job right now that if you were to quit that job, of course it's gonna be hard, but there's something greater out there than you know. Let me scratch that. Look, if you're happy where you're at, I'm not telling you to change, but if you're not happy where you're at, you have to change. And the longer that you stay where you don't want to stay, the more miserable you will be. So if, I'm not telling all you to quit your job, to of course chase your dreams, or like to me, I don't have the answer. I just have my answer. You know, I make these videos because I'm a little wiser, not than you guys, but than the old person I used to be. Like me, right now, these past 2 or 3 years, I've been going through like crazy, just like, I guess some people will consider them failures, but I just consider it change and lessons and where I'm supposed to be. You know, I want to express myself more, and I know it's gonna take some time. So I appreciate you guys watching, and you know, just so I won't feel like I'm like myself talking about myself here, ask me some questions, you know. In the bottom of the comments, tell me where you're from, how old are you, and like what are your dreams, you know. What do you want to do? Like, you know, what can I help you with? I know I could be better, and I could do more, teach you guys more. So I will, you know. So I just wanted to say, you know, I'm thankful for where I'm at, and I'm thankful for you guys for hitting me up and wanting to see more. Just see where we'll be going from here, you know. Just stay tuned, and thanks for watching. I'm gonna show you guys some more screen printing. Even you know, with this camera that might be unfocused, I'm still gonna bring you guys some more stuff. Alright, so you know, put on your notifications, and I'll be dropping some more videos soon. Alright, peace.